Imagine stepping into a world where homes aren't just built, but printed. If your dream house looks like it came straight from the set of a sci-fi movie, with sleek lines, gravity-defying curves, and an overall otherworldly aesthetic, then prepare to have your mind blown. Because you're about to witness real-life examples of architectural marvels that push the boundaries of what's possible. No CGI needed, no movie magic, just pure innovation brought to life through the power of 3D printing. These 3D printed homes aren't your average suburban dwellings. They're massive, bold statements of architectural prowess, and very real. We're talking about structures that challenge conventional building methods and redefine the very concept of home. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed. Let's jump in and explore the incredible world of 3D printed houses. Our journey begins in Russia, a land known for its harsh winters and innovative spirit. Here, the company Apis-Core took on a monumental challenge to print a fully functional 38 square meter house. And they did it near Moscow, on-site in just 24 hours, a feat that would typically take weeks, if not months, using traditional construction methods. But the challenge didn't stop there. They accomplished this incredible task during freezing winter. Imagine the logistical hurdles, the material challenges, and the sheer determination required to pull this off. With a custom concrete mix, specially formulated to withstand the frigid temperatures and clever insulation techniques to keep the house warm, it proved that 3D printing isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a viable solution for building homes even in the most harsh climates. This project demonstrated the resilience and adaptability of 3D printing technology. Now, let's fast forward to a warmer climate and check out House Zero in Austin, Texas, a project that's pushing the boundaries of sustainable and aesthetically pleasing design. This groundbreaking home was brought to life by Icon, a company at the forefront of 3D printed construction. It's not just a house, it's an award-winning biophilic design that seamlessly connects nature and tech, blurring the lines between the built environment and the natural world. The design incorporates natural light, ventilation, and materials to create a healthy and harmonious living space. And its innovative approach hasn't gone unnoticed, scooping up prestigious honors from Time and Fast Company, solidifying its place as a leader in architectural innovation. The house is celebrated for its futuristic but livable vibe. It proves that cutting-edge technology can be combined with human-centered design to create spaces that are both visually stunning and incredibly comfortable to inhabit. Our next stop is the Netherlands, a country renowned for its innovative approach to urban planning and sustainable development. Here, we find Project Milestone, a project that has resulted in the construction of 5 boulder-shaped homes with insane geometry, challenging the very definition of what a house can look like. These homes weren't built brick by brick on site. They were printed off-site in modular sections, then transported and assembled like giant Lego blocks, showcasing the potential for rapid and efficient construction. This approach significantly reduces the need for manual labor, leading to fewer workers, more automation, and a mechanical safety system built in, ensuring a safer and more controlled construction process. Venturing into Italy, we discover the Tekla project, a fascinating experiment that blends clay, fiber, and local materials sourced directly from the surrounding environment. This innovative approach results in a 0-kilometer, fully recyclable home, minimizing environmental impact and promoting sustainable building practices. The Tekla project is a testament to the fact that 3D printing isn't just about speed, it's not just fast, it's also about creating eco-friendly and affordable housing solutions for a more sustainable future. Back in the US, the SQ4D house in New York is making waves for its cost-effectiveness and resilience. This 3D printed home is not only stronger than its traditionally built neighbors, but also comes with a price tag that's 50% cheaper, a game changer in the housing market. By significantly reducing construction costs, SQ4D is helping solve the housing crisis, making homeownership more accessible to a wider range of people. It's a testament to the power of 3D printing to address critical social challenges, one printed wall at a time. Across the Atlantic, Germany's Perry House stands tall as Europe's biggest 2-story 3D print, showcasing the potential for multi-story construction using this innovative technology. What makes this project even more remarkable is its commitment to sustainability, using 100% recycled material and parametric design principles to optimize resource utilization and minimize waste. The result is a visually stunning structure with wild, unique walls that push the boundaries of architectural expression. The innovation doesn't stop there. From floating river homes in the Czech Republic, offering a unique perspective on urban living, to Africa's sustainable 14 Trees project, addressing the critical need for affordable housing in the region, and the stone-inspired houses in Texas, blending modern design with natural elements. 3D printing is rewriting the rulebook for construction, offering a glimpse into a future where homes are built faster, cheaper, and more sustainably. Want to stay ahead of the curve and explore more next-gen builds? Then subscribe now for everything 3D printing. Join our community of innovators and explore the endless possibilities of additive manufacturing.